Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create this Halloween trend video on TikTok. So if you want to create something like this for Halloween, which is coming up in a few days, then let me show you how to do this. So to create this video trend, you will need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor and a photo editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Here you're tapping on search and you're searching for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and tap on users at the top and you want to go ahead and visit this profile page, Test the Simple Dad. So this is the profile page which you want to visit. Now keep watching till the end of this video as the template will appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. Now this is the video which we're going to create, where it's going to change your face into a Halloween look. So go ahead and tap on CapCut Halloween Effects just above the username. So this is how your video will turn out to be. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Again, tap Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and select a picture of yourself. Then tap on Next. Now CapCut will process the video. And now if you press play, you'll be able to see all the effects on your face. Now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video, send it to TikTok. Tap Next. Go ahead and add your captions. And once that's done, go ahead and tap on Post and post this video. Now for those of you who want to create this Halloween trend video on TikTok, you need to go ahead and visit this profile page, Test the Simple Dad, and you'll see the Halloween Effect 1 template, which is right here. So go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on Halloween Effect, which is CapCut. So there you go guys, that is how to create the Halloween Effect trend video on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.